The hidden gems of global economics. Jamaica, a nation often overshadowed by economic challenges, is quietly transforming into an economic powerhouse. With its manufacturing, tourism, insurance, mining, and agricultural sectors driving its GDP, Jamaica's rise from the depths of economic adversity is nothing short of remarkable. Join us as we delve into how Jamaica is secretly becoming an economic superpower, revealing how this Caribbean nation is positioning itself to become an economic superpower. Stay tuned for insights and revelations that will leave you inspired and enlightened. Geography. Jamaica, the Caribbean's largest English-speaking island and the third largest overall, occupies a strategically advantageous position within the region. Blessed with abundant natural resources, including bauxite, marble, and limestone, the island boasts significant economic potential. Moreover, its central location within the Western Hemisphere, with over 500 million people residing within a 4-hour flight radius, underscores its strategic importance. Situated at the crossroads of major sea and air routes into the Caribbean basin, Jamaica provides transnational corporations with a solid financial footing for regional operations. This facilitates seamless access to markets across North and South America, as well as global markets at large. Amidst the breathtaking landscapes of the Blue Mountains, Kingston, the nation's capital, serves as a vibrant center for trade and culture. Positioned for global expansion and business, Kingston benefits from its proximity to the Panama Canal shipping lanes. Notably, Kingston Harbor, ranked as the 7th largest natural harbor globally, experiences considerable maritime traffic. Recent advancements, including the capacity to accommodate post-Panama vessels, have positioned Jamaica to emerge as a key multimodal logistics hub in the region. Leveraging its port infrastructure, logistical capabilities, and prime location, Jamaica is poised for significant growth in this sector. In essence, Jamaica offers a unique blend of natural resources, strategic positioning, and logistical advantages, making it an enticing prospect for businesses seeking to tap into regional and global markets. Economy. Despite boasting an upper-middle-class income, Jamaica's economy faces significant challenges attributed to its slow development, substantial public debt, and susceptibility to external shocks. The devastating impact of the COVID-19 global pandemic, compounded by tropical storm-related flooding, led to a 10% GDP contraction in 2020, followed by a 4.6% recovery the subsequent year. In 2022, the real GDP exhibited a growth rate of 5.22%, with expectations of maintaining positive growth until 2028. According to preliminary data from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Jamaica's growth rate in 2022 hovered around 4%. This growth was predominantly driven by the resurgence of the tourist sector, contributing 35% to GDP, with U.S. stopover travelers comprising its primary market. Additionally, mining exports, accounting for 10% of global bauxite production, played a crucial role in driving economic expansion. Forecasts suggest a continued rebound in economic activity in 2023 and 2024, with growth rates projected at 3% and 2.3%, respectively. However, despite these positive projections, significant worldwide risks persist, potentially impacting Jamaica's economic trajectory in the foreseeable future. Investment projects. The Jamaican government has focused its investment efforts on key sectors with substantial potential for growth, leveraging the country's strategic position to offer lucrative trade and investment opportunities for foreign enterprises. First and foremost is business process outsourcing, BPO, where Jamaica has emerged as the premier destination in the Caribbean for BPO investment. Currently, over 50 businesses, including domestic entities like ITEL BPO and international giants like Conduent, formerly Xerox, provide BPO services within the nation. Secondly, Jamaica's vibrant tourism industry presents an attractive investment landscape. Renowned for its picturesque landscapes, international hotel brands, and rich cultural heritage, Jamaica continues to draw millions of visitors annually, with nearly 4 million arrivals recorded in 2017 alone. In the realm of logistics, Jamaica is poised to capitalize on the widening of the Panama Canal, positioning itself as the fourth link in the global logistics network. Significant investments have been made in infrastructure, such as the sale of the Kingston Container Terminal to CMA CGM in 2016, enhancing Jamaica's role in servicing the U.S. Eastern Seaboard. Agriculture and agribusiness represent another lucrative investment avenue in Jamaica. With a robust local market buoyed by tourism and growing demand for premium Jamaican products abroad, investors stand to reap substantial returns. The agricultural sector's contribution to GDP, reaching 8.1% in 2022, underscores its economic significance. Furthermore, Jamaica offers favorable conditions for export-focused manufacturing and assembly activities, given its strategic location at the crossroads of Caribbean sea and air routes. The Jamaica Logistics Hub initiative presents ample opportunities for integration into the global supply chain, supported by incentives such as income tax deductions and duty-free import privileges. To further incentivize investment, Jamaica has established special economic zones, SEZs, promoting the establishment of productive zones with unique investor concessions. These ongoing investment projects underscore Jamaica's commitment to economic prosperity and attracting foreign capital to enrich the nation's development trajectory. Enhancing the commercial environment in a growing economy, Jamaica has been diligently working to bolster its fiscal responsibility and economic performance, aiming to cultivate an environment conducive to the expansion of investment opportunities. The government's efforts are focused on enhancing overall competitiveness and streamlining processes to facilitate ease of doing business. In terms of business-friendly regulations, Jamaica has made significant strides, ranking 71st out of 190 economies in the latest World Bank annual assessment. Notably, the country's ranking has improved from 75 in 2018 to 71 in 2019, with 25 reforms implemented over the past 15 years. This positions Jamaica as the third-ranked nation in Latin America and the Caribbean, trailing only Mexico and Colombia. Moreover, Jamaica has maintained its sixth position in the Latin American and Caribbean region while securing the second spot in the Caribbean, following Puerto Rico in the 2017 World Bank Doing Business report. Alongside a declining trend in inflation, the reduction in unemployment can be attributed to increased project investments and business activities. As of January 2018, the inflation rate stood at 5.2%. A noteworthy example of Jamaica's economic prosperity is evidenced by the performance of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has demonstrated remarkable growth, particularly highlighted by the stellar performance of both the junior market and major market indices. With the primary index showing consistent growth over the past 3 years, the trajectory suggests continued positive momentum as the economy stabilizes and private capital inflows increase. The convergence of a conducive business environment, improved public sector efficiency, meticulous planning, and prudent spending practices has contributed to Jamaica's economic advancements. The nation remains committed to furthering its economic growth trajectory, leveraging these factors to propel continued prosperity and development. Economic challenges persist in Jamaica, with high poverty rates serving as a primary driver of unemployment. This situation exacerbates the issue as many individuals, faced with financial hardships, opt to drop out of school, thereby shrinking the available labor force. Compounding matters, Jamaica has gained notoriety as a hub for the drug trade, fostering the emergence of violent gangs and escalating crime rates. The pervasive crime wave significantly contributes to economic instability, dissuading potential investors due to heightened risk perceptions. Institutional corruption further impedes economic progress in Jamaica, as funds from both donors and the government are often misallocated, hindering effective utilization for developmental purposes. The repercussions of these challenges have led to a ballooning foreign debt burden as the government attempts to salvage struggling economic sectors. Consequently, debt servicing obligations limit investment opportunities in other vital sectors, stalling overall economic growth. Despite these obstacles, recent trends offer glimpses of optimism for Jamaica's economic trajectory. Notably, projections indicate a steady decline in the national debt to GDP ratio between 2023 and 2028, marking a notable turnaround. It is anticipated that this ratio will decrease by a total of 17.3 percentage points over the period, with the trend persisting for the 15th consecutive year. By 2028, the national debt to GDP ratio is forecasted to reach a new low of 55.04%, signaling positive strides towards fiscal sustainability and economic resilience. Addressing the root causes of economic challenges is paramount to revitalizing Jamaica's struggling economy. A fundamental aspect involves investing in competent leadership to steer the nation towards sustainable growth. The government's commitment to implementing effective measures is crucial in this endeavor, signaling a proactive approach towards economic recovery. One strategic avenue for improvement lies in bolstering the education sector. By prioritizing education initiatives, Jamaica aims to cultivate a highly skilled workforce, thus enhancing the labor market. Aggressive public campaigns to increase school enrollment rates have been launched, aiming to mitigate the influence of crime by diverting youth away from involvement in illicit activities such as drug cartels. Positive strides have already been observed, with secondary school enrollment rates rebounding in 2016 following previous declines. Addressing crime not only fosters a safer environment, but also indirectly tackles unemployment, fostering a more conducive climate for economic growth. Investing in education not only reduces crime, but also empowers the nation with a capable and skilled labor force, contributing to economic productivity. Furthermore, initiatives to provide loans to small-scale borrowers bolster the financial sector while simultaneously reducing public debt burdens. By decreasing reliance on large loans from global financial institutions like the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, Jamaica positions itself for greater financial independence and economic resilience. The government of Jamaica has taken proactive measures to address economic challenges, demonstrating a commitment to fostering prosperity. Despite facing obstacles such as poverty, inadequate education, unemployment, and insecurity, Jamaica is making significant strides towards economic advancement. Efforts to bolster the education sector and increase school enrollment rates signify a positive shift towards addressing root issues that hinder economic growth. By investing in education, Jamaica aims to cultivate a skilled workforce capable of driving productivity and attracting investment opportunities. Additionally, initiatives aimed at reducing crime and enhancing security contribute to creating a more conducive environment for business and investment. These measures not only improve safety for citizens, but also instill confidence among investors, thereby stimulating economic activity. Furthermore, the government's implementation of sound economic policies underscores its commitment to achieving long-term stability and growth. By fostering an environment conducive to business and investment, Jamaica is positioning itself for sustained economic prosperity and development. In conclusion, while challenges persist, Jamaica's proactive approach to economic governance and investment promotion bodes well for its future trajectory. The government's dedication to implementing effective policies and addressing key issues reflects a promising outlook for economic stability and growth in the nation. The underlying reality of all these economic problems is that the growth of an internationally competitive economy is fueled by sound economic policies and competent governance. If not, Jamaica would appear to have chips. I appreciate you staying to the very end. Please click the like and subscribe buttons if you like this video so that you can see more like it. I'll see you in the upcoming video.